my question is, are you married, single, or in love? Yeah, so you're married and you are madly in love. Alright, okay. Alright, so, wait lang mama. So, yun yung isa sa mga questions natin when you are doing online coaching. So, you cannot get away from the personal questions. So, kasi kasama yan sa mga conversation, you know, and how to give advice and guide to your clients. Okay? Dito yung mga your basic 6 reasons why you should start your behavior as much as possible. You apply. Hi, so good morning. I'm just waiting for my client ngayon. Meron akong online coaching, so I'm just using my phone. So I have 2 clients today. One is from US and the other one is US din. Actually, dalawa sila. So yung isa po, I'll be coaching her on how to start her scalable business. Kasama ng ating online course, how to start a scalable business. And the other one is final na namin ngayon, coaching session on how to rockstar your life, right? So you see, that's what I'm telling you. Coaching is one of the best careers na pwede mong puntahan ngayon. Okay? So if you feel like you want to motivate people, you want to inspire, and you want to work on their mindset, then coaching is the best way to do that, right? And at the same time, you're also earning money. Kasi hindi natin mapag-iwalay yun eh. It's a work. It's a career. It's a business. Right? So, doon sa mga nagsasabing, why making it a business? Why not just help people? You see, I'm devoting most of my time here. And not only me, all coaches understand this. Na nagdi-devote tayo ng time. We're studying now. Habang nintay ko siya, I'm reading na tayong listahan niya. So, I'm preparing before our session. So, and besides, it's my career, it's my business. So, we have to be paid because we also need to survive and the rest of my employees. Okay? So, but that's not the point. I just want to make that clear that if you want to earn an income, coaching can be one of your options. Okay? So, paano gagawin, Doc? Number one, if you feel like there's something in you na parang you want to help others, na gusto mong magsalita, and you are also inspired and you want to translate that energy to other people, you can do. So, you can enroll in our Rockstar Coaching Academy. Okay? So, just message me for that. And welcome to our course that how to become a rockstar coach. Okay? Alright, so ito na. Kausap ko na. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung intro namin. Hi, ma'am. Hi. Hi, ma'am. Yeah. Hi. How are you? So, ma'am, kasi nagbablog ako ngayon about coaching eh. Just say hi. Do you want to say hi? Yeah. So, yeah. So, mag-uusap na kami ngayon ni ma'am. Thank you, mama. Thank you. Ma'am, wait lang. Diyan ka lang. Don't go. Okay? So, isa lang si ma'am sa clients natin today. It's Thursday. I think it's May 21 ngayon. So, later on, I'll be talking to Sir Pancho. He's from US. So, na-discover niya na yung rockstar power niya. So, through our course. Alright? So, what I'm offering you now are 2 things. Number 1, if you want to become a coach, online coach, so message me. Enroll in my Rockstar Coaching Academy. Or if you want to discover your rockstar power, or you want to start something new in your life, so just enroll in my e-courses. Okay? So, see you guys. Thank you very much. So, tapos na yung coaching time namin ni Ma'am MJ. Yan. So, nakapag-discuss na kami maraming bagay. Okay? So, I'll be sending her now the video on scalable business. Then, we'll have one other round of personal call. Okay? Alright, Ma'am MJ, thank you very much. Okay, so, thank you very much. And, sabihan mo ko, let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, let's go.